From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of boring alarm clocks that fail to get you out of bed on time? Look no further than the mechanical movement alarm clock metal clockwork by Workspace. This top-rated alarm clock is a game changer, with its sturdy metal frame and sleek design that's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, offices, and more. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's a bestseller. It's reliable, functional, and easy to use. One of the standout features of this alarm clock is its strong signal transmission, which ensures that you'll always wake up on time. The snooze function is also a lifesaver, giving you a few extra minutes of sleep without having to get out of bed to turn it off. The large volume of the clock means you'll never miss your alarm, and the single-face design makes it easy to read the time from across the room. The metal frame also gives it a solid, premium feel that's missing from many other alarm clocks on the market. In real-life use, this alarm clock has been a revelation. It's perfect for busy mornings when you need to get moving quickly, and the loud alarm ensures that you'll never oversleep. It's also great for use in noisy environments, like kitchens or offices, where a weaker alarm might get drowned out. Overall, the mechanical movement alarm clock metal clockwork by Workspace is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-use alarm clock that will get them out of bed on time. With its unique combination of style, functionality, and durability, it's no wonder this product is so popular. Give it a try and see for yourself why it's a top choice among customers. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.